Okay, we are here in this huge entry here, all covered and moving into this beautiful home. Right as we come in, you'll see the gorgeous travertine flooring. We get a little close up on that. To the right here, we're gonna have a nice coat closet slash vacuum cleaner closet. Perfect spot to put your keys down. Maybe a little decor. And then moving into a large great room area. You'll see it has vaulted ceilings. It's gonna have a center island right there. There's going to be these two pendulum lights. And over here, right in the center of this shot, is the dining room area. I am now standing by this big picture window that you see as you walked in. And we're looking at the split floor plan. It's a semi-split. You have 2 bedrooms on this side and the master and 1 bedroom and bathroom over on this side. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Nice size master bedroom. Ceiling fan. Dual windows will be on either side of the headboard. And then over here, you're going into the master bathroom and master closet space. Here. Double high sinks. And moving into that master closet. Actually, let's take a look here. You see, don't forget we have these really nice cabinets. They're going to have pull-out drawers, 4 drawers on each side. And then this is going to be a cabinet where there's going to be more storage in there as well. And then this is the closet. Lots of shoe storage and tons of hanging space. Very nicely laid out closet. Quick shot back into the master bedroom. We'll go look at the rest of the bedrooms. Nice guest bathroom here. Also has a walk-in shower feature. As you can see, it's got the shower handle here and then shower head right here. This is a really nice wide doorway. It seems like it's got some handicap accessibility. I'd have to measure it out to make sure. But I do think that's pretty nice. It's a very nice wide shower and nice doorway. And the same with this bedroom. It's almost like it was designed to maybe be a full guest suite for in-laws or anything else. So very nice. Good sized closet. Since we are having a rare rainy day, I am not going to walk outside to the backyard to show you this cool pull-through garage feature. So it's 3 cars in the front, and then one of the bay doors opens up to the backyard, so you can pull a boat through or whatever you want back here. Totally cheated and stuck my head out the window. They don't put screens on in new construction until the final phase once all the cleaning is done. So now we'll go look at the rest of the house again. Awesome laundry room, more storage, uppers, room for a spare refrigerator maybe, and a nice folding counter. Okay, I lied. No refrigerator because there's no plug on that wall for some reason. Now this is where the furnace is going to go for both the north and south part of this home. It's going to have 2 units, and then of course you've got the loop up here for water softener. Nope, I take that back. That is for the water heater. That's why the vent is there and that gas outlet. Over here we have a water softener loop. We also have it pre-plumbed for a drop sink and a reverse osmosis loop. This is the 3rd car garage. Those are not insulated garage doors, but they do face east, so it shouldn't be too bad. And it does appear that the garage itself is nice and insulated. And then a quick look on how that 3rd bay works.